Frank, are you okay?
Mitch, I'm so cold.
Come on, big cat.
I think I see blue. He looks glorious.
Stay with
He thinks I don't know I'm dying. I know it. Yeah, you know what?
You're gonna be
Roger,
okay.
I'm dying, Roger. I
You're
know
gonna be
it's
okay,
It's
Leo.
okay. I'm choking. See, this is what they do. They die. I swear.
Leo's gonna be okay.
Yeah, well, it's numb. My whole body's numb. I can't feel it.
Hey, Leo.
Die.
Leo,
What?
you're lying on the ice.
That's why I'm cold.
That's why you're cold.
I'm numb, huh?
That's why you're numb.
He shot me. Look at all the blood.
It's just a flesh wound.
It's okay. It's okay.
Right.
Okay, let's get you. 1, 2.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. He's gonna make it. He's alive.